Hey, welcome back to Beyond Business Insurance, the channel that makes you a better buyer of your business's insurance. Hit subscribe below so you don't miss my future content. Today, I want to talk to you about employment practice liability insurance for all my insurance nerds out there. But obviously, your agents probably brought this coverage up to you, or maybe you've seen an acronym, EPLI. Well, I'm going to tell you in this video what it is, why it's important, and let you make the decision if you think it's right for you to purchase or not. So what is it? Employment practice liability insurance will protect you if you are sued from one of your employees for wrongful termination, harassment, discrimination, or you have like a wage and hour type of claim. All right, so I'm going to share an example with you. You let go of a gentleman, he's older. You let go of two people. One's a little bit older, one's younger. The younger guy was just a much better worker though, for whatever reason. Well, times get better, you bring back the younger guy. The older guy hears about this issue and he all of a sudden says, you know what, I think I was discriminated against because of my age. Well, this is what he has to do to file a claim against your business. He goes to the EEOC website and literally pulls up like a one-page form, fills it out, sends it in, and now you as a business owner have a claim on your hands that you have to deal with. By deal with, I mean you have to get an attorney because you have to defend yourself and make it go away, right? You're probably just not going to pay him $100,000 if that's what he's asking for. So the average size claim in these deals can be, I think, in the U.S. around $250,000. Now, of course, it's a wide variety. In my life personally, I've seen one claim was about $45,000, one was about $100,000, and one was about $30,000. And one lady was asking for $90,000 and a different client of mine, and they actually fought it really hard and got it to go away. So it's a real exposure out there. The cost basically is going to be determined on how many employees you have, what industry you're in, and how good of records you keep from an HR perspective. Typically, if you have less than 100 employees, I would say safe bet is $5,000 or less. Okay. Also, who's a target? I think every business in America, but especially it seems to be smaller and medium-sized businesses because employees know you don't have as much of a sophistication when it comes to HR, right? You probably don't have the budget to hire maybe a full-time HR person. You don't have always the right policies and procedures in place. Maybe not a proper employee handbook. These are all really important things to put in place from a risk management perspective to protect yourself if you have a claim alleging you of discrimination or harassment. So you are a target, right? And like I said, the cost is going to be about less than $5,000 if you're less than 100 employees. And again, it protects you from harassment, discrimination, wage and hour type of claims, retaliation type of claims. So the choice is yours. But for anyone out there kind of wondering, should I buy it? Should I not buy it? One benefit I will say to buying this coverage is that you typically get a lot of resources from the insurance carrier. So if you have a claim, you have a business to run, right? The last thing you want to be doing is finding an attorney, pulling up old handbooks. Well, if you had the insurance company on your side, you get a claim, you send it to the insurance company, they take care of it. Yeah, you pay your deductible, that's $5,000 or $10,000, but now they do all the heavy lifting, all the work, and you can focus on running your business. So that might be one reason to consider buying it. But anyways, this is what employment practice liability insurance is. Hopefully you never find yourself in this situation, and hopefully you found this video to be helpful. Thanks for watching.